Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of 7-Star Global School. This is your teacher Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language of class 4. Today we are going to do the revision from the very first chapter, which is naming word, noun. Okay, so students, tell me one thing. Are you all able to see these pictures? Can you name them? This one, tree. This one, mango. Paper. This one, boy. This one, elephant. This one is house, and the last one, happiness. So what that's mean? If you can call anything by a name, that thing is a noun. Like the wall around you, terrace, fan, window, door, you yourself a noun because you are having a name. People call you by a name. That's me. A person, the name of a person, place, animal or any idea is called a noun. Examples, so many of examples I have given already. Tree, mango, Ram, Mohan. Collective nouns like herd, fleet, bunch, pride. These all are nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. That's mean anything which you can call by a name, it's a noun. Got it? Now examples: Ram, Mumbai, uncle, iron, dog, sadness, etc. There are 5 types of nouns. Number 1, common noun. Number 2, proper noun. Number 3, collective noun. Number 4, material noun. And number 5, abstract noun. These are the 5 basic nouns with which we have to learn. Number 1, common noun. What is a common noun? Common nouns are the names of persons, animals, places or things of the same kind. Examples: doctor, cat, bank, book, man, etc. That's mean when any person, animal or place which belongs from the same kind or same kind of group, but they don't have any proper name, so that noun is called common noun. Like boy, girl, mobile phone, chair, table, teddy bear, apple, banana, etc. These all are common nouns. Why? Because they don't have any proper name. Like boy, it can be any boy. Girl, it can be any girl. Apple, it can be any apple. So these all are common nouns. Got it? Number 2, proper noun. Proper nouns are the particular names given to certain common nouns. They always begin with capital letters. Examples: Amitabh Bachchan, Shinchan, Delhi, Honda, etc. That's mean proper nouns are the name of a proper name of the common nouns. Like if we talk about actor, actor is common name, but the name of the actor, Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is proper noun. Doctor, doctor is common noun. Dr. Malhotra, proper noun. Boy, common noun. Rahul, Raj, these all are proper noun. Number 3, collective noun. Collective nouns are words for groups of people, animals or things. For example, bunch, crowd, fleet, crew, etc. That's mean collection of things, people, animals is called collective noun. Like a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of keys, a pride of lion, a school of fish. Like that, some more examples. An army of soldiers, and herd of sheep, a pride of elephant. These all are collective nouns. Number 4, abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are words for feelings that cannot be seen or touched. Examples: childhood, happiness, mercy, bravery, etc. That's mean abstract nouns are nouns which we cannot touch or we cannot see. That's mean they don't have any physical appearance. Like whenever someone has something good or better than us, so we get jealous. Like he has the pencil box which is better than mine, or we feel happiness we cannot see and we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. Happiness when we are happy, when we get some gift or some chocolate or some prize in school. So these feelings, jealousy, our health, and mercy, childhood, adulthood, these all are abstract nouns which don't have any physical appearance. We cannot see, we cannot touch, okay, but only we can feel it. These kind of nouns are abstract nouns. Fifth, the last one is material nouns. Material nouns are words for the substance from which different objects are prepared. Examples: iron, glass, paper, plastic, etc. That's mean abstract nouns are those nouns from which we can make any other object. That's mean it's kind of material which we can from which we can make another objects or things. Like steel, with the steel we can make utensils. Glass, from glass we can make mirror, window glasses, and utensils also, crockeries. And wood, from wood we can make furnitures. We can use it for fire as well. Milk, from milk we can make ghee, curd, and buttermilk, etc, etc. So that's mean it is totally opposite to abstract noun. Abstract noun don't have any physical appearance, but material noun have physical appearance, and we can touch it also, and we can make things from with material noun. So you can say material nouns are a product from which we can make another products. Now we'll do some practice through some exercises. This is the exercise 1. Circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns. Sentence number 1. Ram is my best friend. What is the proper noun in this sentence? Ram. So we will circle the Ram. And what is the common noun? Friend. So we will underline friend. Number 2. My father name is Raj Sharma. What is the proper noun? We always write proper noun with capital letter. That means Raj Sharma is proper noun. And what is common noun? Father. Because whose name is Raj Sharma? Father's name is Raj Sharma. Now, that girl is going to Punjab. Who is going to Punjab? Girl. There is no name of that girl. That means girl is common noun. And what is the proper noun? Punjab. Why? Because it is written with capital letter. So we will circle Punjab. Now number 4, the lion was walking in its cage. Who is walking? Lion is walking. There is any name of lion? No, that means common noun. And was walking in its cage. Where he is walking? In its cage. That means cage is also a common noun. Number 5. My favorite book is Harry Potter. Which is its favorite book? Harry Potter. That means it has a name and it is written with capital letter. So Harry Potter is proper noun and book is common noun. Got it? Like this you have to do the exercise which is given on page number 7. Exercise 1A. This one. You have to do this exercise just like this. Now we will do exercise 2, which is choose the right collective noun. Number 1, a herd, pride of cattle. Which is the correct one? Herd. A herd of cattle. Number 2, a crew or team of players. Which is the correct one? Team. A team of players. Number 3, a school or a group of fish. Which is the correct option? School. A school of fish. It can be a shoal of fish also. Number 4, a crew, team of sailors. Which one is correct? Crew. A crew of sailors. Number 5, a bunch or bouquet of flowers. Which one is correct? Bouquet. A bouquet of flowers. Number 6, a team or crowd of people. Which one is correct? Crowd. A crowd of people. Like this you can complete the exercise which is given on page number 8. This one. Exercise 1B. This you can complete in your book. Exercise 3. Pick out the material nouns. Number 1. Gold is a valuable metal. Answer is gold. Number 2. Johnny's toy is made of plastic. Made of plastic. Plastic is material noun. Number 3. These boxes are made of rubber. These boxes are made of rubber. Rubber is the material noun. Number 4. Ghee is made from milk. Ghee is made from milk. Which is the object? क्या बनाया है हमने? Ghee. From which? Material? Milk. Number 5. She wears a necklace made of pearls. She wears a necklace made of pearls. The material we have used for necklace is are pearls. Okay? Like this you can do this exercise which is given on page number 9. This one. Exercise 1C. Exercise number 4. Complete the sentences with an abstract noun. So here I haven't given any option. You can fill with yourself. Answer can be various. Now I am going to fill it. They pleaded for mercy. Number 2, we admired the dash of the painting. It can be beauty. Number 3, he is taking care of his health. Number 4, they felt dash to him, jealous. This is it. You can fill any other abstract noun according to yourself which is suitable to these sentences. And regarding this, you can do this exercise yourself. Exercise 1D, answers are given above. You just have to select the correct one and you have to fill in the blank. Now, exercise 5, pick out the nouns in the following sentences and write their kind. What we have to do? We have two sentences. We have to pick out the nouns and in front of them we have to write their kind. Number 1, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. So the first noun is Republic Day and the second one is January. So we will write here Republic Day. It is proper noun, and second one is January, which is also a proper noun. For that, these are written with capital letter. So come to number 2. The students have gone to the library. So students and library. So the students, first we will write students. Students are common noun. And second one is library. Library is a place which is also a common noun. Okay, that's it. And if you got it, if you understood this, then you can do these two exercises, exercise 1E and exercise 1F by yourself, because these two exercises are similar to this one. These exercises are on page numbers 11 and on 12. So this is it for this chapter. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.